Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Nakil Aiman bin Baharul Fuadi. Today, I would like to present about road transportation in Malaysia TPT251. Let's proceed with introduction of road transportation. What is road transportation? Road transportation can be defined as the movement of people or goods through automobiles on roads and highways. Next is characteristic of road transportation. First is dense and flexible network. Road transportation has extensive coverage and offers flexible stable routes. Second, door-to-door accessibility. It allows people and goods to move directly from one location to another. Third is low fixed cost and high variable cost. Infrastructure costs are mostly government funded, while user-based operating expenses. Fifth is short to medium distance sustainability. It is highly efficient for local travel and goods distribution. And the last one is integration roles. It connects different transport modes and improves overall mobility. Now we are at advantage and disadvantage of road transportation. For advantage road of transportation, the first is door-to-door services. Provide nationwide delivery without transshipment, ideal for FMCG and courier service. Second is essential for national integration. Improve trade mobility, tourism and logistics across Malaysia. The advantage of road transportation is first, traffic congestion. Kuala Lumpur, Johor Bahru and Penang often face peak hours traffic jam, increasing delivery time and fuel costs. Second is environmental impact. Vehicles emit carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and particulate matter, causing air pollution, health issue and climate change. Transport uses about 36% of Malaysian energy. Now, infrastructure and network. In Malaysia, road transport is the main system carrying about 96% of passenger and 60% of freight. This is an example of infrastructure road transportation. First is Plus Expressway, East Coast Expressway, Pan Borneo Highway. It is improved connectivity across Peninsula and East Malaysia. As of 2024 to 2025, Malaysian roads network is about 290,100 kilometers, including federal states and local roads, with around 5,000 kilometers of expressways. Next is Road Acts and Policy. Road Transport Act 1987 Act 333 regulates vehicles registration, licensing and traffic rules to ensure safe and orderly road use. Second is Malaysian Institute of Road Safety Research Act 2012 Act 748 established road safety research to reduce accidents and improve road safety policies. Last one is Land Public Transport Act 2010 Act 715 governs public transport service planning and regulation to improve efficiency and accessibility. Key road safety rules in Malaysia include mandatory seatbelts and helmet, speed limit, and child restraint system (CRS), along with update to align with an international standard like BAC limits and UN vehicle safety regulations. Road Safety Initiative. First is the Malaysian Road Safety Plan (MRSP) 2022 to 2030. Aims to reduce road death by 50% by 2030, in line with the UN Global Decade of Action for Road Safety. Second, the Kejara system is the merit point system that promotes responsible and disciplined driving among licensed drivers. Third is the government promotes road safety through education in school and community programs along with strict law enforcement. Last one is infrastructure efforts include upgrading roads, improving public transport connectivity and developing new projects to enhance safety and efficiency. Next is issue and challenge of road transportation. Traffic congestion. Heavy traffic causes delay, high fuel consumption and reduced productivity. Environmental pollution. Road transport emissions contribute significantly to air pollution and climate change. Over-dependence on private vehicles. Excessive reliance on private vehicles increases congestion and limits sustainable mobility. Now, stakeholder of road transportation. Government and regulators. For example, Jabatan Pengangkutan Jalan (JPJ), Agensi Pengangkutan Awam Darat, Traffic Police, Ministry of Transport. It is enforce law, issue license and set policies. Second is transport operators. For example, bus company, taxi, e-hailing, Grab, logistic and courier companies, highway operators, provide transport services. Third, road users, driver, passenger, pedestrians, motorcyclists. It is used as transport system daily. Infrastructure provider, highway operators, construction companies, and maintenance contractor build and maintain road and highway for transportation services. Last one is local community residents. Residents near roads and highway are directly affected by transportation activity, including congestion, safety, pollution, and accessibility. Next is case study of road transportation. The issue is overcapacity roads. The heavy vehicles inflows into Kuala Lumpur regularly exceeds 3 million vehicles, pushing arterial routes past their limits, causing RM20 billion annual loss. Massive gridlock costs the country up to RM20 billion every single year due to wasted fuel, carbon emission, and lost productive hours. The solution is push policy. Introduce MLFF tolling to reduce delays at toll plaza and impose congestion charge on private vehicles entering Kuala Lumpur during peak hours to ease traffic congestion. Second is pull policy. Increase DRT services to enhance first and last mile connectivity, improve access to public transport, and encourage more people to use rail services. And the last one is institutional and urban reforms. Promotes flexible and hybrid work schedules to reduce peak hours congestion and establish a unified regional transport authority to improve transport planning and coordination. Now we are in last part. The conclusion is, core problem, Malaysia has a strong highway infrastructure but heavy reliance on private car and fragmented management reduce efficiency. Reality check, building more roads is not a long-term solution. It is to induce demand, where more roads creates more traffic. Strategic shift, Malaysia needs to move from a car-focused system to a mobility-focused network by implementing congestion charge, unifying transport authorities, and improving first and last mile connectivity to support public transport.